Hi, I'm Christine Cushing and welcome to another helping of my favorite foods. Today I'm going to take you way back to a very special recipe. This was my cooking show audition. This recipe got me a cooking show. Let's get started on Pita pizza. Here's what we're gonna do. I got a pan ready to go. I got my oven at 375. This is a super shortcut, but you can make an amazing pizza as long as you know that your pita is a good quality. If you wanna make your own pita, which I have a video for, you're gonna click on that video. It's called Greek pita. And here is what they look like. You can certainly buy these. This is a pita that's tender. You're gonna look for ingredients like yogurt and olive oil. Look at how beautiful those look. What's not gonna work is your typical pita, the Middle Eastern style pita, which is hollow in the center. That's a little bit too dry. For me, the pizza is all about the ingredients. So check out what I'm gonna do here. A beautiful tomato sauce. This is my own prepared. I got a great little cacciatore salami here that is beautiful. Greek olives, which I'm gonna pit. And look at this. This is burrata. If you've never seen this before, it's quite something. Some gorgeous cherry tomatoes. Whatever you like, really. Quick tip on how to pit olives. Just take the back of your knife. Boom, boom, boom. And the pit comes right out. The rule of thumb for pitting olives is you never want to leave the pits in an olive where people would assume that the pit's out and then they crack their teeth. That is not a good situation. I always go for either Kalamata or Niçoise olives. I find them the best. And it's all about the ingredients, right? Pizza is all about best quality ingredients. Mozzarella, this is a buffalo mozzarella. You can also just get what's called a fior di latte. And I'm gonna actually break it by hand as opposed to cutting it because that's the traditional way. Look at that. Now, burrata. Okay, this one is gonna be a bit oozy. Burrata comes from Puglia, so the heel of Italy. And it's essentially a mozzarella, and then inside they stuff it with cream. Yes, cream. So if you can't find that, you can certainly use mozzarella, but I wanted to show it to you because it's so cool. So let's assemble some pizza, right? Both of them are gonna have tomato sauce. I know some people love white pizza, but I do love tomato sauce. Not too much. One is just gonna be a classic pizza, really simple for those picky eaters, but with super great ingredients. So this is gonna be the mozzarella, a little bit of cacciatore, salami, and I am gonna go in with some basil. So that's gonna be a simple one. Now this one is gonna be that pizza where it's just everything over the top and amazing. So shall we go with the burrata? Man, look at this guy. It's ridiculous, this thing. Black olives, some grape tomatoes. And the grape tomatoes are really fantastic to use on a pizza because they're drier and they're sweeter. Oh, shall we go with the bomba? Hot chilies. Some Greek oregano. And a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let's drizzle this guy too. Oven is now at about 400 degrees because this dough is baked. You have to keep in mind. So you're really just heating up the cheese and getting it nice and crispy. Probably 5 to 7 minutes. Let's see what happens. Pizza delivery. Oh, here they are. I didn't tell you the end of the story. So this was my TV audition recipe. This is the recipe that got me a show on Food Network. It's that good. Now, I want to taste it for you. I ordered the burrata, hot pepper, black olive, and cherry tomato. Oh, that's good. It's amazing the texture of that Greek style pita. This is a fantastic, simple recipe that comes together in less than 15 minutes, customized for your family, your friends. You're gonna love it. Thanks for joining me on My Favorite Foods. See you next time. Who wants pizza?